Introduce highlight features and quick overview of AireMax 8000 BTU 3-in-1 200 square feet with remote control. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Ideal for cooling and dehumidifying your home quickly, this compact and stylish portable air conditioner by AireMax keeps a room cool and comfortable up to 200 square feet. AireMax freestanding air conditioners are easy to install and use in any room of your house or apartment, living room, bedroom, dining room, kitchen, and more. Also great for office or dorm. Too hot indoors? Just roll in your powerful AireMax unit, attach the sturdy exhaust hose to the unit and the included window panel, plug in, turn on, relax, and cool down. No hassles and no professional installers needed. Keep the heat away with AireMax. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.